The gas is first transported by gasoduct on shore, where it's cleaned and certain compounds such as sulfur or mercury removed. Then it's sent to a liquefaction plant. To transform the gas into liquid, it must be cooled to a very low temperature, about -160 degrees Celsius, with the aid of giant refrigerators called liquefaction trains. We obtain a colourless, odourless and non-toxic liquid made up of different gases, essentially methane. The liquefied gas has a volume 600 times less than that of the natural gas in its gaseous state, and contains therefore 600 times more energy per cubic metre. But we must be able to maintain the gas at a temperature of -160 degrees Celsius for it to retain its liquid state. It's at this point that ships of a special type appear on the scene, the methane tankers. Really, giant thermos bottles capable of transporting, for the biggest among them, more than 150,000 cubic metres of LNG. The very sophisticated methane tankers are still rare today. There exist fewer than 150 in the world. Once at its destination, in a port in Japan, in Korea, in North America or Europe, the LNG finishes its long journey in the last link of the chain, the regasification terminal. It's progressively warmed up to a temperature over 0 degrees Celsius and resumes its gaseous form. It's then ready to be integrated into the distribution network of the country. Finally, the fluid ends up in the kitchen of a private house, at an industrial user, or in an electric power station in France, in Japan or elsewhere.